A USB barcode reader is a device that is used to scan a barcode and acquire barcode information saved in it. Blue supports 1D USB HID class barcode readers. The scanned information can be saved in graphic object properties or internal string variables. This video describes how to input data in graphic object. Select Accessories from Project Explorer. Click on Plus USB Barcode Reader. Set Save Data in to Objects. As only alphanumeric characters are used this time, set key code to English 101. The details of properties are as shown here. Open screen. Select String Display from Tool Chest and press it. In current value, set the text to be displayed by default before the barcode is read. In display characters, set the number of characters to be read by the barcode. Assuming multiple barcodes are used, copy the object and create some string displays with the same settings. Before reading data with the USB barcode reader, touch each object to switch to input status, and it will work as an input destination of the data. Read data with the USB barcode reader in an input state to store them in the object property. To hide the keypad in the input state, open the Detail tab in Properties and disable the Use Keypad property. In this way, you can disable the keypad during input and also input data with barcodes only.